Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a shrimp net. First, you'll need to gather your materials. This includes durable netting, buoyant floats, appropriate weights, and strong rope. Understanding the basic design is crucial for an effective net. We'll cover how to choose the correct mesh size, ensuring you catch the shrimp you desire without harming smaller marine life. This guide will walk you through each step clearly. Now let's talk about the specific tools and materials you'll need. A good netting needle is indispensable for weaving. You'll also require strong, rot-resistant twine, perhaps a number 9 or 10 size. For buoyancy, select floats that can support the net's weight in water. Lead weights are best for ensuring your net sinks properly. Finally, choose a durable frame material like PVC pipe for the net structure. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more content. Quick recommendation: just like a good net needs strong material, your feet deserve the best. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your materials ready, it's time for assembly. Begin by securely attaching the netting to your frame. This step requires precision to prevent any gaps. Next, distribute your floats evenly along the top edge of the net. This ensures proper flotation and keeps the net open. Finally, secure the weights along the bottom edge. This is crucial for the net to sink effectively and maintain its shape underwater.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.